MT-RSR, and today we're going to be going over the 1401 Carla here with MT-RSR, and today we're going to be going over this eraser cone. This will help you remove the adhesive from stick-on wheel weights. Here we have the 14 ERCONE and the QC14. You just take those, put this together. This will help you put it into a quick change if you'd like. This paired with the Milwaukee. Now we're ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and remove the wheel weights with the scraper. Once those are off, we're gonna come in with our Milwaukee tool with the ERCONE already installed. We're gonna have it in drilling mode, which is 1200 RPMs. With this eraser cone, you don't wanna go over 4000 RPMs. The adhesive is gone without using terrible chemicals like brake clean, safer for your shop, and it also smells like chocolate.